Hello students, today we will discuss Window Explorer. Okay, let us start with Window Explorer. Window Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drive. Okay, you can use it to see how your files are organized and can copy, move, rename, and you can search for files and folders. Okay, let us start. This is the desktop okay. This is your taskbar. Okay, and on the left side you will find the start button, and on the right side you will find the notification area where you will find and date and time. Okay, and sound button and network. Okay, this is the taskbar. Okay, let us start how to open Window Explorer. First of all, you will go to the start button, then you will click on all programs, then you will click on accessory, and then you will click on Window Explorer. This is the window of Window Explorer. Okay, here you will find on the left side you will find the desktop, downloads, library, documents, music, pictures, and your drives: C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. Okay, these drives may vary from one computer to another computer. Okay, another method is you will go to the start button, you will click computer, and this is where you will find your C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. Okay, now if you want to open C drive, you will double click on it. Okay, then there are folders. Okay, in it you will see there is date. Okay, in which it is modified or it is saved. Okay, and time. Okay, this is your folder of computer. Next, this is the back button, from where I will go to back by clicking on it. Okay, now if I want to view the contents of a file folder, what I will do? Okay, I will double click on D drive. Then if I want to view the contents of computer, I will double click on it. Then I will able to see the contents on it. Okay, see, in computer folder there are again folders and files. Now if I want to see content of a file, I will double click on it. I will able to see the annual syllabus of computer. Okay, it is so simple. Okay students, next, now I will go back again. Then now our next topic is copying a file folder. Okay, like if I want to copy any folder from C drive to D drive, then what will I do? I will tell you three methods. First of all, first method. Okay, first of all I will go to C drive. Okay, like if I want to copy M folder, I will select it. Okay, I will go to organize button. Okay, then drop down menu will open. From there I will do copy. Okay, now I will go back, and if I want to paste it in D volume, I will click on it, and then I will go to again organize button, and there I will do paste. This is the first method. Okay, now if I want to copy it from D drive to E drive, this folder, now what I will do? I will select it and I will do right click, and then I will do copy. There content menu will open, and there I will select copy, and now I will go back. Then I open E drive, then I again do right click, then I will do paste. Okay, see here my M folder is copied. Now next method, if I want to copy it from E drive to F drive, what I will do? From keyboard, first of all I will select it, and from keyboard I will do Control plus C. I will do Control plus C. Now I will go back And now if I want to copy it in F drive, then I will open it, and there I will do control, see here, control plus V. Okay, this is your third method. Okay students, now your next is you're copying a file folder. Oh sorry, next is you're moving a file folder. How you will move a file or folder? Like if I want to move a file, sorry, if I want to move a folder, I will tell you three methods again for moving a file folder. First is I will select hello folder. Like if I want to move this, I will go to organize button. Okay, from there I will do cut. Okay, now I want to paste it in C drive. What I will do, I will go back, then I will go to C drive. There I will again go to organize button, then I will do paste. Okay, it is moved from F drive to C drive. Okay, this is the first method. Okay, now if I want to move it from the C to D drive, what I will do, second method I am going to tell you. Second method is I will select it. Okay, then I will do right click, and there I will do cut. Okay, then I will go back, and there I will go to devolume, and then I will right click, and there is paste option. Okay, my folder is get pasted here, moved from C to D drive. Okay, next method is keyboard method, from where I will select it. First of all I will select it, then I will do control X. Okay, it is cut from here. Then I will go back, and D drive I will go to E drive, and there I will right click again. I will do here paste. Oh sorry, this is I will do control plus, look again students, like from keyboard method, first of all I will select hello folder. Okay, I will do control X. Okay, now I will go back, I will go to E folder. Okay, I will go to E folder, then I will go to E folder, there I will do control plus V. See, my folder is pasted here. Okay, this is easy. Okay, now I will go back, I will tell you how to delete a file folder. Okay, I will tell you three methods of deleting a file folder. First of all I will go to C drive. Likewise if I want to delete M folder, what I will do, I will select it. Okay, then I will go to organize button, then drop down menu will open. Here I will go to delete. Okay, it will ask you, are you sure you want to move this file to folder to recycle bin? I will say yes. Okay, your file folder gets deleted. Okay, next method is, like if I want to delete it from devolume, what I will do, I will select it, and then I will right click on it, then there is a content menu will open. I will go to delete button, and I will say yes, it will delete it. Okay, next third method from keyboard. First of all I will select it, then there is the option of delete. There is delete button. See here everyone, there is delete button. See here, this is delete button. I will press it, and it will ask, are you sure to move want to move this file to recycle bin, I will say yes, it will get deleted. Okay.